This is a room tour of room 1454 at New York Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. Now this is a Marquis suite in the New Yorker Tower. Now the last room I stayed in at New York was the Spa Suite. Now to be honest, this isn't that different. It's just more open plan, slightly bigger. So sink there. Tub and shower combo. I mean, that looks like the original one. I don't think this has been remodeled as the rest of the suite has been, by the looks of it. So you still have the tub there. Same sort of distressed window look as in the Spa Suite. Sort of seating area thing there. Nice bed. I do like these rooms though. You really do feel like you're in New York. In a New York apartment kind of thing. This is a bigger area here because there was only one of these units in the Spa Suite. You're not blessed with huge amounts of hanging space, it has to be said. Safe at the bottom there, and a nice table and settee, and this is overlooking. That's quite a nice view, isn't it? New York and the roller coaster. Yeah, not bad at all, that one. I like that. And the windows are pretty good in here. So yeah, I really like this. I mean, this is a very, very nice, spacious room, particularly for one person. I mean, Jesus, what more could you want? So I got this on a M Life comp. I could have had 4 free nights, $250 free play, and 400 resort credit, and I'm booked it for 2 nights. So yeah, very nice indeed. They've really upped their game here at New York, I think. These rooms are so much nicer done than the old ones. The old ones were kept to a reasonable standard, but they desperately needed updating. And it's interesting, they're sort of embracing the theme again, isn't it? Just as you thought theming was going out of fashion, they've thought, right, it's New York, let's make it look like a New York apartment. So, yeah, cool stuff. Speak to you soon.